Smart automation, better business. Learn how to optimize your business with Solved.
Hey everybody, my name is Jonathan. I'm a consulting manager here at Solved, and today I'd like to talk about a tool called Omnistudio and discuss how RIAs are leveraging Omnistudio within Salesforce Financial Services Cloud. The first question you might have is, what is Omnistudio? Omnistudio is a suite of tools that came from an acquisition that Salesforce made of a company called Velocity a few years ago. As you know, Salesforce is very customizable with declarative automation and tools to build on the Salesforce platform, but it does have its limits. And Omnistudio extends those limits with the variety of tools it has to offer to build richer user experiences, generate documents, and handle complex processes. If you are on Salesforce Financial Services Cloud, I have good news for you. You already have access to this tool for free, meaning you can start building with it today. All right, let's start with something every RIA deals with: documents. From advisory agreements to quarterly notices, disclosures, welcome letters, the list goes on. Manually creating these, having to copy and paste information is ultimately time-consuming and prone to errors. This is where Omnistudio shines right out of the box in FSC. Imagine automatically generating pixel-perfect compliant documents with a click. Omnistudio's document generation capabilities let you do just that without having to purchase a third-party tool. Using tools like data mappers and integration procedures, you can easily pull information from anywhere across your Salesforce org. From client details to household information, financial account summaries, related contacts, you name it. This data is then seamlessly merged into your predefined templates using versatile merge field syntax, which means no more manual data entry, reduced errors, and consistent branding across all your client communications. Now let's talk about user experience, both for your team and potentially even for your clients if they're using portals. Are you finding standard Salesforce components or screen flows a bit limiting when trying to build specific interfaces or guided processes? Omnistudio offers FlexCards and OmniScripts. Think of FlexCards as intelligent, dynamic components for information on your page. Instead of static lists or standard fields, FlexCards can display summary data, charts, trigger actions, and surface precisely the information your advisors need right when they need it, adapting based on context. OmniScripts take this further, allowing you to build complex multi-step guided workflows directly within Salesforce. If you're onboarding a new client, collecting detailed financial planning data, guiding an advisor through a compliance checklist, OmniScripts provide a much richer, more intuitive, and powerful experience compared to standard screen flows. They allow for complex branching logic, data validation, integrations, and a modern look and feel, helping you build user interfaces that truly match your firm's unique business processes. The last thing I want to talk about is how Omnistudio can help you handle your complex processes. Ultimately, RAs deal with a lot of complexity: financial planning, projections, investment analysis, risk tolerance, scoring, fee calculations. Often these calculations happen outside of Salesforce, usually in spreadsheets or sometimes in specialized software. Omnistudio, particularly when leveraging its business rules engine, alongside some of the other tools we talked about, such as integration procedures, OmniScripts, and FlexCards, really opens the door to performing and displaying these complex calculations natively within Financial Services Cloud. With that being said, if you're looking to get these complex processes out of spreadsheets, I highly recommend taking a look at Omnistudio. I hope this video is helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to add a comment below. If you'd like to learn more about how to implement Omnistudio in your org, as well as how other RAs are leveraging Salesforce, feel free to reach out to us at solve.cloud.
Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to help you automate your business. Please like, comment, or subscribe for more.